Hi everyone. So I'm going to show you how to do a ripple delete on Adobe Premiere Pro, which for me as a video production major is kind of an essential. So I have 5 videos of me here. I'm a Divert JMU, and they're all the same, but you can see at the beginning there's kind of this like dead period before I go, and we don't really need that if we want to kind of make it more cohesive, like a compilation. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to kind of mark where I start to go, and I'm going to use the cut tool and just kind of take that part out, and then I'm just going to kind of estimate on the rest of them now that I know where I cut the first one. It doesn't have to be perfect for this. And then I'm going to take out these little pieces, and you can see here we kind of have them, so then normally you'd have to, bring one together, bring the next together, and then bring these together, and so forth until you get to the beginning. I'm going to undo that. But the hack is to do a ripple delete, and it'll make everything so much easier. So all you're going to do is right click, ripple delete, and you can see it brings them all together. And then you'll just keep going, and you can see it's so much easier, takes up so much less time. It just makes things more efficient versus having to kind of go back and forth and do it all over again. So that's something that I have kind of found helpful. And then if you watch, you can see the video is a little shaky, but it's much less of a dead period. You kind of don't have that awkward waiting time. You can see I just kind of get right into it. It just makes for a more seamless look. It also, to get into more detail in video production, kind of keeps viewers' attention spans faster, so they're not just kind of staring at something and then they see a pause and they want to look away. So yeah, there you go.